Hi guys and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to change Epic Games region. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Epic Games. Then in here, let's search for how to change Epic Games region. You can update your country once every 6 months, and in order to make any changes, you will need to be logged in and have access to the email registered to your account. It is not possible to update the country on your Epic account to certain regions. You can find more information on these regions here. In here, just select the link that is being said over the search results. Once you scroll down, you can read more about the information over here. There are a lot of things to discuss, so it's up to you to read them, and then, once you get it, you'll be able to understand how to do the Epic Games region change. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.